Maybe I'll make a stove. We've been winter camping. I don't have a stove. All right, so I whipped this up here in a couple of minutes. I just, quick design, 5-minute design, 10 minutes worth of welding, a couple spare parts, good to go. No bullets on it. Oh yeah. It should work quite well. So, design. Rocket stove kind of deal, maybe, sorta. Afterburner. That'll show you. Bottom grate holes. Main jets. Afterburner intake. Oh yeah, afterburner intake. Working damper. It's ugly, but it works. Flux core welder, guys. You can do this for real cheap. So, put the little grate on there. And the grate, the things you'll do for coffee. What's the inside look like? Everybody wants to know. Looks pretty cool, eh? It's because it is. Reinforce the lid, another 1/8 plate in there. Put the gasket around. Put the joint in the middle. Not down here or here, because it'll leak. Now the bone's in here. This is cool. The camera's going to get how cool this is. So I've got nuts welded on this plate here. It's just for a spacer for my smoker grill, smoker rack, whatever. And then this is just the main baffle. Makes everything burn up here. Okay. Well, I gotta put a couple more holes in here, but this is the idea. I've got copper tube. It's going to get superheated, bringing air in, up, and out here. When I want to grill, I just take out the baffle and put the stainless rack / grill down on here, and I'll be able to grill no problemo. Real tight seal. And it's getting some more upgrades. This thing's going to produce power, light, and hot water. Plus it looks real cool. Stay tuned. Alright, so first ever light. Just threw some little kindling in there. See if I can focus. I gotta get some more wood. But first of all, I'm gonna close her up. Open it up. Oh my goodness, it's working. Oh wow. It's really working. Sounds like a freight train. Very cool. I might make that hole a little bit bigger, but it's definitely sucking air. Let's see if I can get a better shot in here. There you go. Love it. Zero smoke. The afterburn works perfect. No smoke.